North Carolina Severe Weather Preparedness Week continues with another crucial lesson that could save lives.
Children in public schools throughout the state took part in the annual tornado drill, but tornadoes are only part of the hazards we see each year. Storm Team meteorologist Brian Hutton Jr. here to explain.
Severe Weather Preparedness Week continues across central North Carolina, goes all the way until Saturday. And one thing that you probably don't realize is that the main weather-related fatality cause is actually heat. And we know as hot as it gets here across central North Carolina in the summertime, it's something that we think about with heat advisories. But during the year, that's the main cause of death across the United States for the National Weather Service. We average 136. The second one, though, is flooding. And of course, also central North Carolina, no stranger to flooding. With previous hurricanes, we've seen widespread flooding and heavy rainstorms. Flooding is the #2 cause of death that's weather-related, the #1 that's directly from a weather event. And so flooding is something we should think definitely more cautious about. If you are outdoors whenever there is flooding, of course, you want to head towards higher ground. Avoid drainage areas for our area rivers, streams, creeks, all of those types of places. And especially at night, because when you're driving or you're out and about at night, it can be tough to tell where flooding is and how deep it is. And that's why there's a saying from the National Weather Service to turn around and don't drown. Never try and cross a flooded roadway, and don't try and walk across a flooded area either. There's two different types of alerts we get: flash flood and flood watches as well. A flash flood is usually very quick sudden rise of water, where a flood watch is usually along our rivers and something that happens over an extended period. It's something we're watching for days, where flash flooding can be very quick, and that's the more dangerous one of the two, and that's one of the reasons why the death toll was so high. So definitely be careful when the rain is in the forecast. For CBS 17 News, I'm meteorologist Brian Hutton Jr.
All right, Brian, we've got some rain on the radar.